So 5 days ago, we were looking at the monthly candles and the Canadian pairs. So we're focusing on how we can be able to take advantage of the coming Canadian dollar strength. And then we made a video clearly explaining how we can trade that. So you can just go to YouTube and then you check it out. It's the first video you will see, Canadian pairs monthly forecast. So we're looking for the strength of Canadian pairs and how we can take advantage of that. And then now, on Sunday, I sent out the expectations on how we are going to trade the card pairs. So you can see this is AUD card, Euro card. This is what I wanted to be able to trade. This is before it actually happened. So I wanted the market to push up and then do something like that, and then we can trade it around here. So that is the first thing I wanted to do. And then we also looked at Euro card and GBP card and then the rest of the card pairs. That was on Sunday. And then the video, that was the video. And the following day, like on Tuesday, I was like the card pairs showing first signs of a possible strength like we anticipated. And now we wait for technical confirmations for entry. So that was on Tuesday. So that means this is what happened. You can see NZD card, Euro card doing exactly what we expected them to do because that was the first move we wanted. Then now on Wednesday, we're beginning to have signs on Thursday. And then on Friday, the trades starts to play out the way we want them. And then we start to benefit from the card strength. And this is what I'm talking about. Okay. And then that, and then that. And as you can see, it is as transparent as possible. And the reason for that is the way we trade, or the way I trade, is just when you go to X. So the week starts by me looking at the pairs that we can possibly trade. And that's why you need to watch out this week that we're entering in. Gold is actually one of those pairs we're going to trade, and I will do a breakdown video on it. So once we identify what we want to trade, we see what is the story. So trading is like a story you tell yourself. And then once all the criteria are met, then you can actually be able to start executing. And then when the trade plays out, we do that. And then also how to manage your trade. So like once you're up, this is the last tweet concerning the card pairs. Once you're up 4% or more on an account, you have to be practical enough to take off some money on the table. And then if the urge for you to trade is still there, you can open a fresh account and then start trading the next week so that you know I've banked my 4% and I'm done for the week. So that is the same thing. And of course, we always share them even on X. Okay. We share them on X, the trades which have played out the way we expect them to be. All right. So if you find value, you can always join the group and then you will be able to do that because we have weekly analysis that we put out there. So this week we're going to look at some pairs. And of course, the card pairs still have potential to continue to drop further. But the point is, trading should be like a story that you plan. You plan before it actually happens. And once everything you've planned happens, then you can actually trade and make money. So anyway, the card pairs still have a potential to drop. But that's